Good day, my name is Nomsa Dlamini. Today, I'll be taking you through the ideology of MMM. MMM, MMM, it's a community where people provide help. They make a donation to someone who needs help. Say you've got 100 friends. And you have somebody else who needs that 100 at that moment. Then when you give that somebody that 100 rand, after 30 days you will make an interest of 30%. Say after the 30 days you don't need that 100 rands, you leave that 100 rands there, it's going to make an interest from the 130, meaning you'll get 169. M is not an investment, so at a certain time you must also request to be given help. How to join M? You first need to follow the following to register on this community. The link of the person who referred you to M, who told you how this community works. You need to have an email address, a phone number, then you must have an internet access to register with the link of www.rsa.mmm.com/. Benefits of M of this community. When you register, you get a registration bonus, which is defrosted. Then after 30 days, it is available for withdrawal. It grows like that donation that you have made. Then once you have joined, you can spread the gospel. You get 10% referral. Then once you're in this community, you will request to be given help. After that, when you have fully received funds, you write a letter of happiness and you make a video. If you don't show your face, you just say how happy you are, you get 3%. If you show your face in the video, you're going to get 5%. There is also a free training where you'll be a guide. You recruit people. When you recruit those people, you will get a 5% real bonus. Together, freedom is in our hands. Together we can change the world. This is my ideology, my understanding of what M is. Thank you. Nomsa Dlamini.